Can see how beautiful it looks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making a beautiful multi-pleated turban cap with one side golden design. Okay, so guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll be using this chocolate color design. I'll be using this fabric. This is crepe fabric, shiny crepe precisely, and I've already cut out the length. For the length I'm using 24 inches, the width 18 inches. Okay, and I folded it into two, so I'll be pleating it like so. Then I went ahead to cut out the band. This is the band, is a V-shaped band. Okay, so for the length is 13 by 2 inches, 13 inches for the length and 2 inches for the width. So the next thing I'll do now is to go to my sewing machine and go ahead and pleat. If you have been following me on this channel, you understand how to pleat. It's very simple, it's very common. Okay, just go ahead and pleat. I've made a lot of videos on how you can pleat your cap, full pleat. Okay, so I'll go to my machine now and pleat it, after which I'll show you the next thing. So guys, I've pleated all the bodies, you can see it, and I went ahead to join the band. The next thing is to fold the cap into two, then I will notch the middle of the cap, that is the midpoint. So I will mark the middle of the cap, then with my hand needle and thread I will go ahead and make a running stitch. Here you can see, I don't want it to be too tight or too loose, so make it to be loose. I'll go ahead and run it. I'll be running it 3 times, 1 at the middle, then 2 at the side. Then I'll go ahead and secure it. So I'll go ahead and cut off the excess thread. So after it, I'll fold it together. Then I'll mark 1 inch. I'll go ahead and close it up. At this point I'll curve it, then close it up to the tip. So I'll go to my sewing machine and close it up, then I'll show you the next thing we'll be doing. I've sewn it round. So the next step is to make a running stitch. Make running stitches with my hand needle and thread. From this point I'll leave the band, then I'll follow from the next point. To be loose, I don't want it tight, be very loose. And I'll go ahead and secure it here. Make it to be loose. Has to now secure it as well. So the cap is ready. I will get my dummy and put it on it for you to see. Then I'll be attaching the gold design on it. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see the cap with the back. So the next thing I will do on this side, I'll be adding a gold design on it. Okay, I'll be adding this gold design on it. I have to merge it together to place it like so. So this is what I'll be adding on it. So I'll go now and tack it, then I'll show you the final picture of how it looks. I'll be attaching it on the turban cap, after which you can embellish with any design of your choice. You can do anything you feel like on it, okay? But I'll be using this to design it. After which I will show you the final picture of how it looks. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see. Can see how beautiful it looks. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching for more designs, and bye until I see my next video.